Welcome back to our channel. Welcome. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the completely reimagined 2026 Lexus ES. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance to create an experience that's both exhilarating and serene. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 ES is its striking design. Inspired by the Lexus LFZC concept, the new ES boasts a sharper, more athletic stance. The signature spindle grille has been reinterpreted, flanked by aggressive twin L-shaped headlamps that give the car a commanding presence. The flowing lines and fastback profile create a sense of motion, even when standing still. The rear is just as impressive, with a sleek, full-width LED tail lamp that leaves a lasting impression. Every curve and every angle has been meticulously crafted to be both beautiful and aerodynamic. For the first time, the Lexus ES is available with a choice of powertrains to suit your driving style. The ES 350h features a powerful and efficient 2.5-liter hybrid engine, delivering 243 horsepower with the option of front-wheel or all-wheel drive. And now, embracing the future of mobility, Lexus introduces the all-electric ES. The ES 350e offers a front-wheel drive configuration with an impressive 300 miles of range. For those who crave more performance, the ES 500e boasts a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with 338 horsepower and the advanced DIRE-CT4 all-wheel drive system for unparalleled handling and stability. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's as innovative as it is inviting. The driver-focused cockpit, based on the tazuna concept, puts everything you need within easy reach. A stunning 14-inch touchscreen display is the centerpiece, featuring the latest Lexus Interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is more spacious than ever, with ample legroom for all passengers. Unique 3D printed bamboo accents and ambient lighting create a serene atmosphere, while the available Mark Levinson surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. For the ultimate in luxury, you can even opt for reclining and massaging rear seats. Built on a new, more rigid platform, the 2026 ES delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and comfortable. The multi-link rear suspension, a first for the ES, provides exceptional handling and a smooth ride. And when it comes to safety, the ES is a true leader, featuring the groundbreaking Lexus Safety System Plus 4.0. A suite of advanced driver assistance features that provides peace of mind on every journey. The 2026 Lexus ES is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a testament to Lexus's commitment to innovation, luxury, and performance. With its bold design, advanced technology, and choice of powertrains, the new ES is setting a new standard for what a luxury sedan can be. Experience the future of driving. Experience the 2026 Lexus ES. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.